There you go. Hello, mic check. Alrighty, I think I fixed it. Hey guys, this stupid mic. I think the cleaner fucked everything up. GM, everybody. I think that the internet's fucking up, bro. If it is, it's really sucks because, as you can see right here, Daniel, what's up? Daniel FX. Thanks for tuning in, bro. You're the guy that I called a bot, right? My bad. Thanks for joining the show. Man, this is, if this disconnects again like it just did, then I'm gonna have to just cut it. But I really wanted to get on here and live stream longer than usual, and specifically for the trading competition. God damn it! Stop this fucking mic boom arm thing, bro. Spend a bunch of money on a stupid ass boom arm and it sucks dick. Anyways, totally don't have anger issues. Yeah, that's not a problem. How's the orderly UCC going? I don't know. Let's find out right now. Where's my thing? There we go. So I am 4% up. Yesterday I was at like 20% up. I would have been number 2, but then I ran it back a little bit, and then I've been underwater for the majority of this day, and well, not majority. Well, I mean, I entered a trade right here when the market sort of like came down, and then it went back up, and now I'm just sitting underwater and on some of these. I mean, Pump surprisingly is doing very bad. I wish I kept my short open from yesterday. Yesterday I was short up here or something somewhere, like maximum short on PumpFun. That's how I got my majority of my earnings, to be honest. I thought Barachain would do worse because it's fucking useless ass dead Barachain, you know what I'm saying? But I mean, for some reason it's like it was performing pretty well today. And then I'm also long ZEC because I think that the markets are gonna dump and ZEC's gonna pump, but it seems like that was the wrong call. It's taking some gains away, but now it looks like we finally got back in the green. Thank God. Yo, the mic want to steal the show. Yeah, the mic just keeps pumping up, man. By the way, let me get a mic check again, please. I need to know if this volume is too loud or not or what. I think it should be fine, but just in case, let me know, please. Mic check, mic check. So yeah, so today I was traveling over the weekend for a buddy's wedding. I wanted to start trading over the weekend, but I was traveling, and today I had to go to the office to work. Tomorrow I got to go to the office as well to do like some videos for YouTube. But after that, I'm just gonna come back to my home office and just start live stream trading pretty much all day, right? So if you guys want to tune in, I know it's gonna be pretty late if you're over in the United States because it's gonna be pretty much in the middle of the night. But if you guys are in Europe or Africa, India, whatever, then you guys should be you should be able to tune in. I'm not one of these degen scalpers. Like I saw, let's pull up the chart really quick for UCC. 1 second, let me find out where it's at. Let me get the link. Yeah, right here. I saw the leaderboard for UCC, and bro, Kaleo. I mean, how is he trading so much, bro? I guess it's a bot, but if it's a bot, it's a pretty bad bot because that's a lot of volume. And I mean, he's basically down 87%. There's pretty much no recovery from there. Yeah, pretty bad. Oh, it looks like I'm... Oh, well, that's just because I'm in this little underwater thing. But I was number 3 earlier today. I should be number 2 at least. Waiting for these trades to get back into profit so this can update and go back to the top. Where am I at? Where am I at? Right there. Yeah, so $45 in profit, whatever. Barrow's about to go into the green finally. Zach. Why did I long Zach, bro? Believe in Zek, man. Believe in Zek. Zek 1000. It has to happen. I fucking hate this coin. I don't think it deserves to be all the way up here, but I mean I mean it has to happen. You know it's gonna break 1,000. It's gonna go to like 1,100, and then it's gonna dump. But it has to happen. If it doesn't happen, then markets are even more rigged than I thought. No, I'm joking. Then actually the markets are correct, because this shit should be at like fucking $2. I checked the leaderboard and saw your P&L was 5. Or IVE or something like that. Hold on, let me, where's it at? Let me get the leaderboard right next to this. There we go. So on the top, on the KOL side, I'm at number 8 because I'm in a negative right now. You know, if I refresh that, should be at like number, oh, I guess it takes some time to populate. But on the cruiserweight thing, I am number 5. This is me. I don't know who this is, but props to you for fucking representing what exchange. Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah. I don't know who that is though. It's not me. Somebody. But yeah, but I'm number 5 on that's 10,000 USDC. So not bad. Would be good. Would be good to add to the treasury. But yeah, so this is me. My volumes aren't that much. I'm not a scalper. I don't go in on the 1 minute. I just swing trade. Except these are gonna be like day trades, but you know, maybe like 1 trade, 2 trade, 3 trades a day. Let's see, we got some sell pressure. Oof, come on, Zach. Come on, Zach. What are you doing, man? What are you doing? You're dragging me down, bro. And that's a heavy one too. Look at that. It's taking all my damn. It's taking all my gains away. I should just go straight short on. I should cut that and go straight short pump and bearer. Cut the Zek short bearer. Am I right, guys? Am I right? That Zek long is not it right now. Looks like it's going to low 600s. Nah, man, you're not a believer, bro. You're not a believer. Let me see. All right, let's do some more higher end analysis, right? So if I'm not mistaken, by the way, I think DXY is gonna go up. It's already going up right now. I'll get back to this in a second, but let's do like BTC USDT, and then let's pull up. Oh, actually, we already have BTC USDT. Let's pull up Zek and overlap BTC on top of it. And you can see the inverse correlation. Let's get out of the Ichimoku. So look, around here, it's like doing fine, but then right here starts to inversely correlate, right? So you have going down here, it dumps together. Then this bounce, oh no, maybe it is correlated. And then it goes down together right here. Then it dumps hard, but Bitcoin goes up strong. And then this dump right here is together with this. Then it goes up together. Here it does not go up together. This goes down, that goes up. This goes up, this also goes up, down, up. Here went down together up until this point, and then it bounced, came over here, and then this entire time that it's just been just going up and steadily climbing. So I don't know. I think I'm still gonna hold on to it for just a little bit. I think 1100 is like programmed. I'm gonna look to take profit at like 950. I think it's worth the risk. Fuck it, I have my other trades like keeping me propped up, right? Still in the profits a little bit. I think once Barachain dumps down into the green and shit starts getting crazy, then then regardless of like whether Zek is wrong or not, like Zek is 13.5k while my other two shorts are basically 20k and 15k. Like, you know, it's gonna blow the Zek position out of the water. So I'll be in profit, it's just not as much, right? So like basically my Zek and my pump will cancel each other out, and I will just make profits from my Bera, which is still a 2x, like a 2x short on a shit coin. So we'll see. I'm hopeful in my positions right now, and then I'll go ahead and show you guys the other account. And there's the other account. It's at 17. Let's see. It's also in the red because of Zek. Fucking Zek. But here's a lot heavier. Well, this same shit. Pump and Zek cancel each other out, and then I'm short on fucking Bera. Man. I would really like to see Zek make another move. Another counter move. Because I'm basically in a hedged position, right? This is a 5x essentially. Because I'm at 16. Somewhere around there. Long Zek, short BTC. Nah, because Zek is more volatile than BTC. So you would most likely be, if both dump, then you'd most likely lose money. So you need to have something that's just as volatile as Zek. Right? So like I have two short positions on Pump and Bera. And those are lower market cap and more volatile. Well, Bera is actually not as volatile as I thought it would be. It's kind of like it's bleeding out, but very fucking slowly. It's really annoying. Because I want this shit to nuke. As you can see, my take profits all the way down here. But yeah, so like when you're doing these sort of hedge positions, you really want to make sure that you keep in mind the market cap of coins, the sizes of the different things, and like basically the volatility of each. So like maybe Zek and Bitcoin go down at the same time or dump together, but Bitcoin only goes down like 3% while Zek goes down like 15%. You know what I mean? That's the risk of doing something like long Zek, short BTC. Let SRAX, what's up? Let's fucking go. But yeah, this is the number 5 account, but let's see if I'm even gonna be able to keep that with this terrible ass P&L. Do you think we have bottomed midterm for BTC 92 to 94x range? I don't think so. I'm actually aiming for like 84. Unfortunately, I know. I will tell you why. Let's go ahead and do some market analysis. We're tracking the charts over here on the right using aggr.trade. This is aggregated trade. By the way, guys, really quick before we get into the analysis section of the show, make sure you guys hit like, make sure you hit retweet, you know, tell your mom, tell your friends, tell your grandma, tell your trading communities, tell everybody. Show me some support, would highly appreciate it. Make sure you go follow What Exchange on Twitter, follow me on Twitter, follow me on YouTube, follow me on Instagram. Well, actually, my Instagram's not live yet, but you know, fucking whatever you can to support. You know, it's not like it's gonna cost you any money. It's hitting a like and a retweet is free, right? It's literally it takes 1 second, but it actually helps tremendously, especially when trying to grow the channel from scratch, from the bottom, like I'm essentially doing again right now. And also, I guess let me go over this really quick. So this is UCC Ultimate Crypto Championship. It is it just started on November 14th, so it's like basically just started. It's November 17th now. But it is a new trading competition by Orderly Network with multiple dexes that are participating. So you have WooFi Pro, What Exchange, which is my exchange, Salsa Dex, Aegis Dex, and Humble Farmer. So 3 of us, I think these 3 are KOLs. And you know, we basically pitch in 20K each to participate in this. So if you guys want to participate, just head over to What Exchange, support your boy, and trade, and that's all you have to do. And then you'll get on the leaderboards, or well, you know, if you're profitable, you'll get on the leaderboards. And then you have a chance to win. I think the number 1 is 50,000, number 2 is 20,000, number 3 is 15,000, number 4 is 12.5 thousand, number 5 is 10,000, 75, 500. You can basically all of this, right? And then from 10 to 20, you have a chance to win $2,000. So it's honestly not that difficult, in my opinion, to win something, right? Especially because most participants are. What the fuck is this? They probably have positions open already. Wow, look at all that. Wow, look at all the What Exchange. Yeah, I mean, like, I don't think like these P&Ls are not that impressive, right? They're not. It's not like they're crazy. It's not like Bybit's World Series of Trading, where it's, you know, super fucking difficult to win number 1 because you're just competing with so many people. Because this is a much smaller competition than something like World Series of Trading by Bybit, you know, it's way easier to actually win some money. So if you guys got wrecked on October 10th, you know, and you have some money to fucking to play with, and you actually trust in your trading skills, then by all means, go ahead and participate. I think that it's a very, very good opportunity to win some money back if you got wrecked. And if you guys don't know how to trade, make sure you tune in. Every day I'm going to be streaming. Today I started late. Today's kind of like normal hours. But tomorrow I'm going to basically go to the office, record a video, come back home, and stream all day. I mean, there's not really going to be much to do when you're streaming. So I'm literally going to have trading window open and play video games simultaneously. Because again, I'm not a scalper, but I'll be able to talk to you guys. If you guys have any questions, you guys can follow along with me, all that fun jazz. Fucking Zach, bro, you son of a cunt. What's wrong with Calais? I don't know, bro. The amount of trade, like, if you analyze his thing, the amount of trades that he made was like 700 trades or something. Like, dude, what the fuck? I think I only did like 4 trades yesterday. We'll recover to 103K or something like that, and then 8x. I don't think so. So let's go ahead and start the analysis. Right? This is DXY. So the first thing I wanna bring to everyone's attention is DXY. This is the US dollar currency index, and the reason why is because we have this gap up here, right? You have this little that's why this green line is there. It's basically a magnet. Where's the magnet? Is this it? No, that's not the magnet. Icons, there you go. Boom, we got the magnet right here. So I think that this is gonna pump upwards, hit the magnet. The global macroeconomics also aligns with this because of this. One second, let me put it to you guys' attention. Boom. This is Watcher Guru right here. So let me go ahead and show you guys the bearishness. The bearish factors. One second. Where is that? So the bullish stuff is that the government is finally shut down, or it's finally opened up again, right? That's bullish. The Chinese agreement thing is basically about a sign, right? So they're about to close the agreement. I thought they already closed, to be honest, until I saw the news today. But it's basically it's not a factor anymore. But something that is a very big factor in terms of bearishness is, what the fuck is this shit? Wait, when the fuck is this? It was October. He calls for that. Where's it at? So anyways, there's basically like poly markets saying that because inflation is still so high, they're only going to cut interest rates by 25 basis points instead of, or by 25%, whatever the fuck, instead of the 50 that everyone essentially wants, right? Yeah, I don't know why I can't find it here. Maybe it's on unfolded. Fuck it, it's alright. But yeah, but that's super bearish, right? Because it's not, you know, inflation is still high. We're still dealing with this stuff. Liquidity is drying up. We're not gonna get any sort of quantitative easing until December, right? So that, like, basically the entire rest of November is just looking like bearishness. We're gonna get hit with that bearish news before we get hit with bullish news, and that's essentially why I think we just keep on trending downwards, right? So because of that, I expect for DXY to push up, and I'll get into the strategy stuff as well, but I expect that to push upwards, close this gap, and essentially form a double bottom here. And on the weekly Ichimoku, I drew this white line all the way up here for a reason. It's because I think that the price is gonna go up to hit the resistance cloud, which is somewhere around here. So it didn't go up as fast as I thought it would, but I still think it's gonna, you know, close this, probably go down, and then maybe like somewhere over here. So maybe we can move this there. So I'm looking at like 101.7 on DXY. And if that's the case, then the rest of the markets are gonna definitely dump, right? Because we've essentially only done half of the bearish move, which is pretty nasty. And this could be, you know, this could go all the way up until, yeah, basically like the first week of December, which is probably when we'll start getting like the QE, you know, bullish news, etc., etc. So again, I could be wrong, but the trend is definitely down, and I want to follow the trend. Now, in terms for the bullish news daily, it was MicroStrategy buying in, and they said that they were going to do a big one. He said big week, you know, buying more Bitcoin. Everyone's been so used to him buying these like $90 million, you know, purchases, but he actually bought $835 million worth of Bitcoin. That's a lot. But even with that purchase, we barely moved upwards, which means that this conspiracy of like paper Bitcoin being sold to him, I mean, I think, I don't know. I'm not big brained enough to know whether or not that's true, but it seems like it is. What the fuck? He bought 1 billion at 102K, 104s for DXY, 103 at 103K is crazy. So let me see. Let me check out the price really quick. So it's Bitcoin, yeah. 93. Wait. But what was the price that he actually bought in at? I didn't see that on the thing. Let me see. Let me see if Unfolded has it. Yeah, at 102.1 or $102,171 per Bitcoin. So that's what price he bought in at. We're like, that's all the way up here. That's crazy. So he already purchased that shit. And we already dumped well after that. So yeah, I mean, like, it just looks nasty, man. This is a megaphone pattern that I was hoping this would, you know, come back over here and then continue bullish. But we invalidated that. But the pattern is still there. Now it's just an invalidation, which means that technically we should be going the opposite way. Which is bad because this takes us all the way down to like 75K now. I don't know if we're going to go all the way down there. I'm thinking like 84 or something like that. Right? But But yeah, I mean, don't fight the trend. The trend is down. Look how it's just dumping. Let me see Zek. So here's another thing, by the way, that I did yesterday when I first started to trade for the trading competition, is I suck. I'm terrible at trading bear markets. I know that. I get wrecked all the fucking time. I'm not that great of a trader. I literally am just a bull in a bull market. Like, anyone is a fucking genius in a bull market. So, because I know I'm a bull, I was like, let me pull up PumpFun, because this is one of the main ones that I traded. I was like, yo, this shit looks like it wants to go up and bounce. And I was like, hold on a second. Let me just get another angle where I'm more comfortable. And you hit Alt-I, and that inverts the chart for you, right? So boom, now I'm a bull. Now I can trade this. I was like, oh shit, dude. This thing looks like it definitely wants to pump, which means it wants to dump, right? And I just went all in yellow on a short. Unfortunately, I didn't keep my position, and now Zek is fucking me in the ass, bro. Oh, there you go. I'm in profits. Yay. But still, Zek is fucking Zek. I wonder if I should just cut Zek and YOLO further into maybe Bera. So my target for Bera was like 111 or some shit. Here, my target for pump is 0.002855, and the way that I got to that is I basically went from here to here. Oh, wait a second. Bombaclad man. Which one was it? Was it this one? Probably this one. From here to here, and that target is maybe was it this one? Yeah. Yeah, 2588. So it's like front running this basically, or around there. There you go, around that line, the 1.272 Fibonacci. Since now we're sweeping through all of this, I mean, this is just gonna, in my opinion, dump. And it looks a lot easier when I invert it, because I see this dip right here on the Ichimoku cloud, and I think that it's gonna do one of these bad boys. Where's this at? Where's this at? I think it's gonna come over here and then come right all the way back down here at some point. So I'm looking for like a very nasty dump, and then hopefully a sharp recovery. But you know, I'm trying to. I mean, I'm in a trading competition, so I'm just trading both sides. Short LTC. Fuck, man. Had I kept my positions open from yesterday, oh man, I would have been number one. I was heavy short pump. God damn it. Let me add to this. What should I do with Zach, bro? Should I keep it? Let's go check the other account, the KOL account. Should be in the green. Is this it? Yeah, this is it. So now I'm 10% up on the account overall, but it's not. I'm not that happy about it, to be honest. Just because I dropped this bag so badly. Let's just keep shorting Bera. Fuck it. So you say short LTC. Let's see. Why is that? Oh my god, look at order. Why? Oh, order. Stop. Can you fucking stop, please? I have so many order spot bags. By the way, the reason why I wanted to short Barachain is because of their unlocks. So PumpFun is actually a very bullish token. I don't know why it's dumping as hard as it is. Bara was my perma bear token that I was looking to short to the ground. And that is because they have, get out of here. That is because they have all, like, it's 81 days away, but it is 59.59% of the market cap is gonna be cliffed unlocked in February. And 5.73 and 1.75 and 2.81, those are all, like, large majority of that is all going to the hands of people that can sell it. So I mean, I think it's super bearish, right? I think it's gonna dump. Because who the fuck would buy this token knowing that it's literally gonna have, like, the circulating supply is going to double, more than double, in a little over 2 months, in less than 3 months. Nobody's gonna buy that shit. Who would buy that shit? I really regret this Zach, man. Let's see. Let's see if this little bounce is happening here can convert to a significant bounce on Zach. On CVD, we got some nice little buy pressure over here. On all the markets. You guys are quiet, man. Let me see if my Twitter disconnected again. $333 people watching. No, so it only disconnected one time. Okay, good. So it's been going on for 35 minutes. All right, cool. What do you work out today, bro? Man, today was calves. I got bitch calves. So I literally spent an entire hour just training calves to try to get it to catch up to the rest of my body. Like, I got big arms, shoulders, chest. Well, chest isn't that big because I have a concave chest, but yeah, I think my physique is pretty well rounded, except for my calves. Fucking runner's calves, bro. Super hard to work out of. Not impossible, but yeah, just a huge pain in the ass. Or pain in the calves. Shinger. Small D, huge D, bro. What are you talking about? Literally a former porn star. I shouldn't say star. I did porn, okay? Did porn. And there's like some porn stars that have fucking tiny dicks. Come on, man. Let me see that. Let me see that. Drive upwards on fucking Zach, man. At least to close this damn position. Triple top for Zach? Nah, bruh. Don't jinx me like that, man. Look, if you pull up Zach using an inverse chart, like how is that bottom? You see what bottom? You know what bottoms look like, right? Just look in the mirror. Fucking bottom. But you know what bottoms look like, right? This does not look like a bottom. What fucking bottom is formed like that? Nothing. No bottom is formed like that. I don't like these wicks though right here. These wicks look very bottomy, I guess. I think we're gonna have like that parabolic pump upwards, like a Bitcoin 2017. Like this was the 3.5K before it fucking yoinked all the way up to 17K type of pump. Except instead of 17K, I think it's just gonna go to like 1100. Oh, right there, around there. And then from there, have a blow off top, basically like this. Right here. Come down and then bounce up, maybe hit 1,000 and then come down again and just, you know, bleed out forever. We'll see. Let's see how it is recovering compared to the rest of the market. Yeah, you see? Recovering a little bit better. This is Solana on the background in the blue line. So if it can just recover better and have a sharp drive upwards, then I'm Gucci. Then I got profits on all sides. By the way, what game should I play, huh? I'm gonna need some games. Sitting here fucking looking at a chart, trading when you guys are quiet, it's not entertaining. Gotta entertain yourselves, myself, right? Anything you guys want to learn? Anything you want me to check? We don't have any macro news, so what's your view on Q4? That's a good fucking question, to be honest. Like, my gut tells me bullish. You mean Q? I mean, we're in Q4 already, right? And it's bearish, but I'm assuming you mean like December. So I think November is gonna be all bearish, and maybe H1 on 2026. Like, I think November is gonna be bearish, and December is gonna be bullish. That's what I'm predicting. Yeah, my gut, bro. My gut's telling me to fucking long Zach, man. It's telling me to short all the other ones. Hey, trust your gut, man. Don't hate on gut trading, bro. No matter what you do, remember, it is always 50% chance that you're wrong or right. This shit is just pure gambling. You can maybe increase your odds a little bit. Little bit. Let me see if this shit populated. So this is a 006 AC. Oh, right there. Number 7. And I'm number 5. Huh? Oh, but this is on this account. What about my other one? What about my KOL account? My KOL account is number 20. Wow. Straight 20. Wait, how the fuck is that? How am I showing negative 214 here, but then over here I'm showing plus 851? How does that make any sense? And then I'm showing 313. What the fuck? Justin, what's up? What's up? Let us Rack's most terrible bull run ever. Yeah. Yeah. The thing I had to be worried about is if it was in fact a 4-year cycle. If it was a 4-year cycle, then that means that we're gonna have a year and a half of this shit. We dropped to number 8. Yeah, that's just because it hasn't populated. I should technically be like number 2 or something right now, or number 3. And Zach needs to pump. Let's see. Let's. I need to actually track this like live. Let's do. Compare. Jesus Christ. Let's do Ethereum. New price scale. Okay. So it's following along. It pumped up higher. Yeah, I mean, it's basically the same shit. Let's do line. Basically the same as Ethereum. So if it is outperforming, it's not outperforming by that much. Can we add another one? Can we add BTC? Oh, we can. Yeah, so these two are doing the exact fucking same. You gotta buy here while everything dumped. Buy here. So there is like some buying happening while everything's dumping, but how much is it down? Let me see. Oof. No, negative 7.5%, while Ethereum and Bitcoin are down only 1.39. Should I just cut it, guys? But if I cut it, then I don't have a hedge. I'm just gonna be basically naked. What did you do? What happened? He's silly. What's up, brother? I'm in this hedged, somewhat hedged position. Athena is also another one that has monthly unlocks of 1%. Let's take a look at ENA. But is it like going to users, or is it going to investors, or like what? Ooh, look at that. Oh wow, yeah. This is something to short. Yeah, Athena looks like it'd be a good short. It's going to VCs and team. Oh yeah, fuck that. Short that shit. Yeah, that seems like it would be a good one to short as well. That's not me farting, I swear. That's the couch, or not the couch, the chair. Let's take a closer look. Let's pull it up over here. NA DYOR. Do your own research, right? Yeah, I mean, even the whole life cycle is just pump and dump, pump, dump, pump, dump. I think it's probably most likely going to go under both of these prices and then pump up again. So you want to target under 2005. That would be a drop of like 2005 and 2070. I can't do the math in my head. Math. That's like a 10% drop or something like that. Or maybe like something like that. I don't know. Fuck it. Maybe like 20%. Now put the market cap chart on ENA. Oh, is it going up? Yeah. Why is it going up? That looks terrible. Imagine buying a bunch. And I've seen so many charts like this, like back in like 2017, fucking 2020. But who's buying this shit up? Like, who actually wants control of this? If it's pumping, like, you know what I mean? If it's just dumping on you every month, who's buying this shit? December 2nd, 2 rounds, which is ecosystem incentives and foundation. So this one's nothing to worry about. This one is core contributors and investors. This one's something to worry about. That's 2.32% of the market cap in 18 days, and it happens every single month. Yeah. So the other one is a non-event. This one is a non-event, but that's still a lot. 2.32% every month. Jesus fucking Christ. For the next 445. Wow, dude. That's a lot. I don't understand why the market cap is pumping as like it is. Such heavy deflation. Or inflation, excuse me. Inflation. Okay, we got somewhere back at 6. It's back at 10%. We have some bullish pressure here on the CVD, on Bitcoin, and on all USD. The price is just going sideways for the market, but definitely some bullish buy pressure. Hopefully it's all going to Zach. Most likely not, but all right, I got to figure out how I do. Oh, we're at 10%. Yay, 10%. Yay. So, for you guys that don't know, we have 1 month of this trading competition. I'm not looking to go crazy, all out. You know, I'm assuming that's what Salsa Tequila did, because he did 37% in. Excuse me. And oh well, maybe he actually started trading like earlier, right? When I forgot. Yeah, it's just because I started late. But he's at 37% right now. So little by little, if you compound gains, it really adds up. So that's what I'm trying to do with this strategy. Usually, I like to just go all in. Usually, you have to go all in with like a high leverage trade in order to compete with it. Oh, we're number 2 right now. In order to compete with the market, with the other traders, because I mean, that's what everyone does, right? And there's so many people trading that the chances of you winning is like fucking slim to none. But if I'm just trading against 12 people, honestly, the people that do nothing, these people that trade zero, are most likely going to be the one. Like, I would say, out of the people trading, at least like 2 of us are most likely going to be in the red or get liquidated. So like literally just doing nothing and waiting is also a very good strategy when the competition is pretty small. Now for the public competition, you know, you definitely can't wait. You have to trade, but it's not that difficult, I don't think, to get here. It largely depends on, you know, your holdings essentially. But let's see how many what exchange we got here. So we're number 3 over here. Number 5, which is me still. Number 10. $34, $35, $36. $57, $58. A lot of WooFi Pro. $92, $97, $98. So yeah, so this competition is not just ROI. it's P&L, right? So if you want a chance to win, you do have to deposit some amount of money and trade with that. Of course, you could just be lucky. You can you use high leverage and run up an account to like 100K with like $100, which is totally possible. I've seen plenty of people do it. And you would win that way. You could totally do that. But the chances of that happening is pretty small. But still, if it's just $100 and you can afford to lose $100, right? Then you would essentially win the 100K that you earned plus another 50K on top. That's pretty good. And also, if you just want to win the 1,000, the 2,000, all you need is literally $851 in profit. At least for now. This is gonna increase over time. Doing nothing and waiting should be penalized. LOL, it takes all the fun out of it. Yeah, I know, but I mean, if you're trying to game the system, right? Seems what? Dog too? Seems cat? Seems pussy too. Oh, gotcha. Hey, man, game is game. Don't hate the play. I hate the game. All right, let's see. How's this holding up? Should I close Bera and this other one? I don't think so. Wow, that bounced up pretty sharp. I don't think so. I think we're still gonna drive down lower. So my area for PumpFun to pay attention is right. Oh no, excuse me. Come on, man. Let's see. Let's do two charts. One right there, and I hate this rainbow shit. Let me change it. Why am I lagging, bro? What is wrong with this? Maybe it's because I'm live streaming. I knew you would decode that one. Yeah, I'm lagging pretty hard. I think I'm gonna have to get a better computer if I'm gonna play games. Might have to buy one tomorrow. Justin, you trading the competition or what? You gonna follow my trades, bruv? Honestly, I would love like if I did well, right? Who knows? Like I might get wrecked, but if I did well, I would love if like a bunch of us can just trade together and win together, and like you just see what exchange on the entire front page. That would be dope. Zach looking good? Yeah, everything is looking good right now. It seems like the that little bounce was real when I saw the CVD pushing up here on aggregated trades. So this area is where I want to pay attention to. 0.002923 essentially. I think we're gonna keep dumping. Let's see how Zach's looking. Zach seems like it's pushing up stronger than everything else, that's for sure. No, same shit. Same as yeah, same shit. I should just jump in and copy trade you. That's why I'm gonna live stream so people can copy trade if they want. Again, you guys are pressing the buttons, right? If I fucking get wrecked, that's on you. You know? Take responsibility for your own actions. I'm not a god. Excusez-moi. I really am considering cutting ZEC right here. I'm gonna wait and see if I see something on the CVD. Let's zoom in to 15 seconds for Bitcoin. Yeah, so it's still pushing up. So I feel like, should I set a stop loss for this? What is my entry? 3325. Should I set a stop loss for that? 3325, huh? Stop loss at profit 0.003325. Boom, 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 boom. There you go. Stop loss set at profit. We need auto copy trading feature on what? That would be so fire. So guilty for my own button pressing. I own it. SEC, if you're listening, he's stupid. So that's coming. The vaults, right? Public vaults. Right now, it's not permissionless. So there's gonna be other vaults available, but only for like basically communities and like stuff like that. And then it's permissioned, right? So we gotta ask orderly. They'll do it manually. Excuse me. But in the near future, they want to make it permissionless. Vaults on Hyperliquid can be done. They already have permissionless vaults. I still think this is gonna push up, even though the markets are kind of just chopping sideways. Yeah, CVD is still climbing up a little bit right here. Should I close this shit? Open up a position higher. Close it. Huh? Close. Close. What time are you trading until tonight? Probably like 11:30. So like another hour and a half. I would like to close these positions before bed because I don't like to, be sleepless. I was late into the office today specifically because I was trading till like 2 a.m. last night. I didn't want to. I was babysitting the fucking trades. I hate that. I hate that lifestyle. It's not healthy for you at all. Just waiting to see if this damn market. I'm looking at. My eyes are up here basically. I'm looking to see if the price action will catch up with the CVD. If the CVD starts pushing up, then I'm closing the short right here. But for now, we're being patient. We're waiting. Because it looks like the price might be leading the. Oh, no, there you go. CVD is going sideways and up a little bit. Got to keep the mouse over the confirm button. I mean, if you set a stop loss and the position is running, it's fine. Yeah, if your stop loss is in profit, but if you're underwater in some positions and shit, like it's not fine. I'm like one of those guys that when I go to sleep, my mind is always racing. You know, if I'm like if I have something to focus on or worry about, like let's say I get into an argument with somebody, or maybe I just could have said something better in a different way. I'm like one of those guys that just gets fixated on something. And the times that my mind is most active is when I'm showering and right before falling asleep, like when I'm in bed trying to fall asleep. My like theta brainwaves kick in and I fucking, you know, my mind just goes on overload. But if I have something like a position open, bro, I'm gonna keep like it. It's like the geniuses that play chess, except of course I'm not a genius, right? But like you hear about when people are like basically chess champions or whatever the fuck, grandmasters. Like when they're going to sleep, they essentially play a whole game or like remember a game that they were playing before, like out in their head, and they just like are so fixated on it that they can't sleep because they just keep thinking about this fucking chess game in their head. It's essentially the same thing with me. Like when I try to fall asleep, if I have a position open, bro, I think about everything with finance, global macroeconomics, the market. Oh, you know, maybe the RSI or this or that, blah, 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 blah. And then I have to wake up and like check my phone and then check it again. And like, it's annoying, dude. So you planning to do some gaming streaming? What are you planning on playing? Let's go play it. Let's go upgrade our PC. I don't know. I don't really know what games are available, to be honest. I could probably try one right now. Hold on a second. Yeah, this isn't right there. I could probably try one right now. I was playing this game. Let me see if I can find it. I was playing this what the fuck? Come on, bro. Quit popping up over there. I was playing like a survival game called Nightingale. Oh, I could just pull it up on the... Hold on a second. Let me just pull it up right here. Sorry, I'm still tracking this CVD, bro. Here it is. Let's see if my computer can run it while I stream. Let's do a quick little test run. I guess I'll turn off the music for now. Motherfucker. Stupid ass mic. Let's see. Let's see if my fucking computer just blows up. I mean, nothing's happening. I pressed it, right? Oh, my computer's going really slow right now. Yeah, I think it definitely opened it. Yeah, I don't think I can play a game. Oh, look at this. We're up 700 bucks. Why is that? Is PumpFun still dumping to shit? It's like not really bouncing that hard. This is not really bouncing that hard. And Zach is bouncing hard. Let's go, boy. It is outperforming the market right now. You see? Just wait, bro. Just wait. Just wait. Watch it. Watch it outperform. see Bitcoin's dumping over here on the micros. And this should be like all the way down here if it was following, but it's not. It's up. It's up. Baby steps, bro. Baby steps. Okay, I guess I didn't turn this damn thing on. Come on, man. Open up. Oh, there you go. Now it's open up. Oh, what the fuck? I do have to log in. Yes, continue. Just to do it in a stream, playing some music on my DJ equipment this weekend. My computer was lagging hard as fuck, so I need an upgrade as well. Left my ass off. What just made you laugh, bro? What did you see? What do you mean? Oh no, I like that my ZEC is going up and Bitcoin is not. That's basically it. Update available. Update and then launch. I need an update. Nah, can I like not update? Can I just launch? So this is my these are the games that I have available in my Epic thing. So I mean, I could probably play any of these, right? Alien Isolation, I never played that shit before. It was just free, I think. Bendy, never played that. BioShock, I literally have never beaten a BioShock game before, ever. Borderlands, never played it before in my life. I don't know what the fuck Five Nights at Freddy's is. Killing Floor 2, I think it's like, I don't even know. Never played that. Never played Hue, whatever. Memories of Dream. So I haven't played any of this shit basically. Not even Ark. And I can play any of this basically. Quick launch. Let's see. Okay, Bitcoin continues to go down. Oh, it's pushing up. And ZEC continues to push up. 732. Let's check out Bera. Oh, Bera's pushing up. Pumps, but oh no. Bera's back in the red. Fucking Bera. Why is Bera so strong? Whoa, look at that buy pressure. Let's play some multiplayer shit. Yeah, we could do that. If I don't lag. But what's up with this buy pressure? Holy shit. What was all of that? Uh-oh, I'm losing my position. Uh-oh, what's going on? Fuck, you see, I should have closed my Bera. I could have reopened here, got in a better position. Wow, dude, what's up with this pump? I'll jump on with you LOL trading game nights. Let's do it. I have Battlefield, but I have it on PlayStation. I guess I can just buy it on the PC as well. But I don't know my game if my computer can run that shit. Well, I mean, it can run it by itself. I don't know if it can stream it. Nightingale's download. Oh, great. Am I lagging? I think I'm updating the game while I'm live streaming. ZEC is at my entry again. Two steps forward, 3 steps back, something like that. Yeah, this market's looking strong for the micros. Let me see what's going on. Oh, it's Ethereum. Oh, no. Bitcoin is the same. What the fuck? Look at that. Oh, man, I'm going to lose. I got to cut it. I got to cut something. ZEC is in profits. Bera's starting to chew up on my profits now. Why is it bouncing so hard? Is there news? Bitmain's ETH holdings reached 3.6 million after acquiring 54,156 million tokens over the past week. Yeah, no news. Just some strong buy pressure. My pump's gonna get stopped out. Oh no, it's not. Pump is fucking way low there. Bear's pumping for no fucking reason. No, if you're lagging on trading, ain't no way you streaming that. Yeah, if I start lagging while trying to play a game, then I definitely won't do that. But what I was thinking of doing is oh man, from like 800 down to 135. What the fuck, man? It's because of this damn Barra position. Bro, Barra. Back to zero. Fucking Barra. Oh shit, hold on a second. I have another fucking wallet. What's going on over here? How's things looking over here? Oof, negative 400. Fuck you. Also, Barra, fucking me in the ass. So hard. Look at that pump, bro. What the fuck is going on? So much volume right now. Let me put on some music. Play this fucking shit again. I need something to chill me out. Bro, this Barra position, it sucks, man. And pump is pushing up as well. When is the buy pressure gonna stop? Seems like it's mostly coming from Binance. Like, what sort of chart is that? On Barra, what the fuck, man? Nah, they're not gonna shake me out. Fuck them. Let them blow cash. Who else from the community is trading with you? I don't know. But somebody is like one of the top traders in the community. Excuse me. God damn it, all the way back down. Shit is annoying, dude. Look, and there's still heavy buy pressure going on the CBD. Well, on Bitcoin, not on all USD. Who is buying right now? Looks like there was some big liquidations. Decent sized ones, at least. ZEC is still pushing up. Bitcoin is still buying. There's still a ton of buy pressure on Bitcoin. First ZEC fucked me, now Bear's fucking me. Especially since I doubled down on Bear. It's my biggest position. But it's dropping fast. See, like honestly, normally I would never trade leverage on altcoins, shitcoins, because they're so volatile, bro. The only reason why I'm even trading like Bear and all this other stuff is because I'm hedged with ZEC. But look how quick that shit fucking pumped up. How much was that? In 2 minutes, oh no, in 10 minutes it pumped up 4.5%. It's fucking crazy, bro. 10x, you're done. No way. So we're seeing a lot of selling pressure, but there's still a lot of buy pressure on the CVD. I mean, this thing could just start pumping up just like it did 5 seconds ago. If you want to know what I mean, like, I'm talking about this area right here in the corner, like it was dumping and the CVD was just going sideways, 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 and then this massive pump upwards. I mean, massive, right? It's not really that big, but on the micros, when you're day trading, it's definitely big. And then the CVD is going up still, and the price is going down. So I don't know how the market's gonna react with this. I'm hoping it reacts like this over here. You see, if you see the price in this area, the CVD was going up. CVD did a big pump. And then even over here, it was going up, going up, going up, going up sharply while the price was going down and then dumped. So I hope that happens again. I wonder if I should close my ZEC. What's my ZEC looking like? Oh, it's still pretty good. Still holding on pretty strong. $19.84 bot.btc toilet, whatever the fuck, weird name. What's up, brother? How's it going? GM. Bro, is there any kind of engagement coming from Pump, or is it officially a ghost town over there? Bro, I think it's a ghost town. Let me see the chat really quick. I don't even check the chat anymore because it literally is always dead. It says I have to log in. Like I can't even log in with my MetaMask. That's the most annoying thing. I can't check it. Let me check my Let me check my on my phone. That's right, I didn't plug in the wolf token. One second. One thing at a time. I'm retarded. I can't multitask. Yeah, I got banned from talking in my own coin. Isn't that funny? I can't see the live stream. Is there anyone even watching from over there? Yeah, there's 14 people over there actually. But I can't see the live stream. I can't see the chat on the mobile app. We have a lot more buy pressure coming in. Zach is pushing up. Let me see how fucking Barra's doing. Okay, still looking weak. As long as it doesn't start driving up like it just did, then I gotta cut it. Ban left mass off. What? How? On the PumpFun chat? I don't know, dude. I think I sent a link or something. Maybe like the Discord or some shit. And I sent like some link. I think it was the Discord. And it just auto banned me. It said, "Oh, you know, you are reported for blah 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 blah." And I'm like, "What the fuck?" And then it said like submit an appeal. So I clicked that. I submitted an appeal saying, "Hey, you know, like I got auto banned for no fucking reason. This is my coin. I'm the dev wallet." And it's still stuck in appeal. And I did this like a month ago when I launched the token. So needless to say, their customer service is about as good as Coinbase, I guess. Yeah, see? Banned. Appeal under review on my dev wallet. It's just retarded. Yeah, people are talking on there saying, are you still holding my token and haven't received the airdrop? People are like, airdrop? If you are, some like scammers are on there talking. But I can't talk on my own coin, but scammers can. Like, what the fuck, dude? PumpFun's retarded, man. I think the ability to make this like these creator tokens, I think that concept is cool. It's unique, but I think it needs to be like somebody else other than PumpFun. I don't think that team is capable of doing it. Yeah, I can't even see the stream, dude. Oh, there you go. Finally, come on, man. Show me the fucking stream, bro. Yeah, I'm on mobile and it just doesn't work. Just whatever, fuck it, dude. If you guys are on PumpFun, man, just come see my stream on Twitter. My handle is ImNotTheWolf. Same on YouTube and Twitch. I think on Twitch is like ImNotTheWolf official or some shit. But yeah, if you want to join the chat over here, because the PumpFun chat doesn't show on that stuff. Anyways, it is what it is. But the wolf token, I am still working on that, guys. It's not a fucking rug. It's not a slow rug. I still have it up on my on my bio or whatever the fuck, right, on Twitter. Right now, I have very limited devs, right? I have many things that I need to do and accomplish for what exchange and everything as a whole. So right now I have Jesus, this fucking thing. Right now I have devs fixing bugs on the Hyperliquid release that just happened last week. We have the Hyperliquid front end that we launched. I have another dev team in London that's still doing like the launchpad stuff. They're all fixing that, and the devs here locally are working on the basically bug fixes, right? And then after that, they are already tasked and have already started doing at least the research and scoping aspect of creating a arbitrage bot, and then also the bridging in the LP. The bridge is not that difficult, right? But the arbitrage bot is a lot more difficult because they are not experienced with that stuff. So they have to like, you know, basically learn how to do it and then do it. I am hiring another dev to make things move faster, but having to like constantly tap them in the shoulder and be like, hey, there's this problem here, hey, there's this problem here, you know, it really fucks up their workflow. Hey, 429 people. Thank you guys for watching and tuning in. Please, please, please like the tweet, retweet it. Would highly appreciate the support. All right, let's see what's going on. So on the plus side, ZEC is highly outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum. On the negative side, and we're back in the green, but on the negative side, Bitcoin is still, the CVD is still pushing up strong, and I feel like at any moment this shit can just start taking off again. And if that's the case, then it's gonna stop me out. I'm basically gonna stop myself out if Bera hits this top point over here. I already have a stop set on PumpFun, so if it gets to my entry, it'll stop out. You know, no loss there. I would make a big loss on Berachain, but then hopefully ZEC will, you know, balance that out. and then I just let ZEC run, right? Then either way, it'll still be hopefully a profitable trade, just not as profitable. Get in contact with Elon. You have Paul. I mean, I have tried to get in contact with Elon, but I don't think he likes me or something, because motherfucker never gives me attention. Should at least give consideration for dev wallet appeal. I don't even think that they've seen the ticket, bro. I think that there's so many like so many tickets, and like the system is just so shit that they don't have the manpower to actually properly maintain it, you know. Which I get. I'm sure they probably have like people botting it and just fucking with them, right? Justin says, I actually think Zora on base has the best shot to pull it off. They have live streaming now also, and they actually have a good mobile app, unlike Pump. I haven't checked it out. I know you've talked about it multiple times. I really don't like their aspect of like forcing you to hold tokens for like 10 years though. I think that's a pretty shit aspect. Also, I really don't think that like I don't think people want to be married to one network, or at least married to base. Not yet. Maybe if it becomes like the number one. Ah, sorry, I have like a headache right now. But yes, come on, keep dumping. Wait, where's Zek at? Should I put a stop on Zek? One second, guys. Let me go get a drink of water. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. All right. I'm back. You could always use a side wallet as an alt account and pump. Yeah, I mean, I have like my wallet, like my doxed wallet as a side account on Pump. It's the #1 holder for the token. Well, aside from like, you know, the liquidity pool, but yeah, I mean, I just don't, I don't know. I guess the app just kind of sucks, right? No one talks on it anyways. Fuck out of here, this stupid ass bot on Twitch. Nobody talks on it anyways. Like, people watch from it, but I don't think that they engage that much, right? Like, maybe they're watching from their phone or something. Maybe it's just bots. You know, I have no idea. But like, for the past 3 weeks or something that I've streamed, like, hardly anyone talks on there. You know, you can have, like, on YouTube maybe like 5 people watching or 10 people watching, and someone from YouTube will say something. Meanwhile, on PumpFun, like, nobody says fucking anything. So I used to keep it open so that I can like track the chat, but even now it's asking me to log in, and it's just like, like, fuck it, dude. Like, I don't want to deal with that shit. Here, let me pull this over. I can see it from here, from this one. All right, let me see. So there's 16 people watching. It's not even live. What the fuck? Did my shit? Oh no, never mind. I see it. I was just lagging. So yeah, look, live chat. Still, the last messages was "Yo bitches" by me. Here's the screen. See, "Yo bitches" by me. Fucking buy this shit. See, nothing. Nobody ever. Whoa. So there's 2 months ago, this shit was launched 2 months ago. Jesus. So like, there's 17 people watching, but I don't think they're real people. I think it's just bots. Yeah, I don't know if like maybe PumpFun pays for this shit. This is looking very similar to this. I think it's gonna pump again. Hold on. Anyways, I don't know if it's real or it's fake, but a quick update on this before this fucking shit takes off and I gotta babysit it again. I'm still working on it. It's still on my thing. I'm still doing these live streams. I'm still showing up. The whole biggest thing is like, people don't want to buy a coin that's not pumping, right? So, and the only way that it can pump is that if essentially I buy more, right? But I am gonna buy more, but using the treasury, and the treasury is gonna earn money using the oh wait, what am I doing? It's supposed to be over here. Using the earnings from the arbitrage bot and from the volume of the arbitrage bot and all that fun jazz, right? So as volatility happens between BNB, Ethereum, and Solana, there will be arbitrage opportunities which the bot will trigger. But the bot needs to be made, the bridge needs to be made, the LP needs to be made. Like, these things take time and resources, and right now I can only assign 2 devs on it, and they're constantly working on other shit as well. So it's slow right now, but it is still being worked on. It's still, it's not a rug. I'm still buying. I even just bought like another 2,000 before. Oh yes, this is going down very nicely. Another $2,000 fairly recently. So yeah, like, I don't know, just I would say, if you're holding, just keep holding or buy more, right? And I'm being 100% transparent with everyone, so that no one can say like, oh, you know, insider trading, blah 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 blah. He owns the coin, so of course he knows what's gonna happen. Being transparent with everybody. I plan on buying a bunch of the tokens, even more so than now, because the treasury from it I'm gonna use to snipe the meme coin that we have, planned, right, I'm gonna use to snipe like anything else that I have my hands involved in. And I can't do that publicly because that's fucking shady. Or not publicly, I can't do that privately because that's shady. Like, people shouldn't do that. You're essentially sniping to dump on people and blah, 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 blah. When you're the team, like, you shouldn't be trading against your community. But if it's the wolf community, you know, fair game. So, yeah. You could take away having to own the token to type. No, because then it's just a bunch of fucking scammers and spammers. Like, you want to talk? Buy the fucking token. Why are you even there watching if you're not buying the token? But that'll bring bots galore probably. Yeah, exactly. Oh shit, Castillo Trading. What's up, brother? What's up, brother? I need to get your fucking Rhodes mic, man. Here I am with this shit. I don't even know. Like, I've been using this exact same mic for years. This is actually a new one, but the Hyper X, whatever the fuck. But I'm just so used to it that I bought it again because it's like so, I don't know, just what I'm used to. But after watching your stream, I'm like, damn, dude, that guy's fucking voice is crisp. I need that shit. This mic doesn't sound that good. I hear myself talk on the live stream or like on the playback, and it's just basic. CVD is starting to crawl up to new highs locally, while very interesting. I think Zek is gonna do another pump upwards. Where the fuck is Barachain? Barachain is not. What should I do, guys? What should I do? Castillo, what do you think? Laugh my ass off is a great mic. Yeah. What do you think, bro? You bullish, you bearish? You think this is the bottom? Look at Zek outperform everything else. Right here, it was pushing up, and then boom, Bitcoin, Ethereum went past it, and we're having the same sort of thing. You see over here, it was like it didn't push up as high, and it's pushing up, going sideways. Bitcoin, Ethereum are lagging. You see the CVD pushing up higher, and maybe we're gonna have another boom. Bought Wolf day one and Wolf Poloniex we trust. Ayy. Hard to be bullish, but I can't be bearish here. Motherfucker, I'm in a trading competition. I need to do something. Sometimes doing nothing is the best you can do. Shut the fuck up. I know. God damn it. Sometimes no trade is the best trade. Shut up. Hit me with that KOL. KOL shit. Hit me with my own playbook. Alright, Bear's going down. Oh, thank God. Give me my fucking gains back, man. Give me. Pump got saved. Alright, let's check out the other wallet really quick. Hey, what? Yeah, what? Hey. Getting in a better position. This Zek is also very high. The difference between this situation and the previous one is that Bitcoin is trailing up on the CVD right here, but all USD is not. Before, all USD and Bitcoin were trailing up while the price was dipping. So that's one difference. I'm still not comfortable though. It's this Barra, bro. This Barra does not make me comfortable at all. And the 15-minute Ichimoku cloud looks nasty, bro. It's sitting right on support. It looks like it wants to come back up here. You see? Here's the cloud. It wants to... Bitcoin's buying up again. CVD keeps going up. Somebody's DCAing in. Some big fucking dick is DCAing into Bitcoin. Did I set a stop? No, I didn't. I need to set a stop on pump. What is that? 3330. What is this shit? Ah, come on, bruh. 33. Let's do 3325. Whatever. 0.003325. Price must be what? Less than 3192. What the fuck does that even mean? What? Oh, let's take profit. Shit. Fucking dumbass. 0.003325. What do you think of Monad presale? Fuck Monad, man. Shit's gay. Monad is just gonna be another fucking network that dies. How do I know? I've been in the space for a long fucking time. You know how many networks I've seen come in that die? Oh, it's got VCs. So many fucking blah, 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 blah invested in it. Fuck that. That's bearish, bro. That's not bullish. Like, the reason why Solana was so successful is because there was a problem with Ethereum. Everyone was tired of the bullshit. And then, more importantly than that, it was a CTO. Sam Bankman fuckface went to prison and everyone CTO'd it because basically all the tokens were locked that they were dumping and shit like that, right? And it was a fluke. Like, let's call it what it is. They got lucky. Same shit. Why Hyperliquid is like the #1 blah blah blah. They got lucky, bro. People don't understand how important luck is in this game. Ooh, is everything about to turn green? Ooh, shit, son. Look at that. All three green. Let's go. Let's go. Where am I at on the fucking trading competition now, huh? Hey. #3? Ponzi just made a fucking 3K. Fuck you, Ponzi. Fucking taking my #2 spot. Bumbleclad ass. And I am #4. Shit, son. Grinding away. Slaving away out here. Okay, I think Zek, we should... No, Zek is... No, this is gonna... Ah, man, what is Zek gonna do? Zek is still outperforming, right? Yeah, still outperforming. What do you think about Pump acquiring Padre? What the fuck is Padre? I don't know what Padre is. they did pad KOLs with airdrops galore. Yeah, I mean, I think Monad even like hit me up or something. You know, like it's gonna be a dump fest, bro. Like everyone knows about him, but everyone already has a fucking bag, essentially. Like that type of shit, it doesn't interest me. You know, like stuff like Monad, like all of this like VC shit. Like for me, it's like the exact opposite of why I joined crypto. It's why I fucking decided to make What Exchange, bro. Like I hate all of these fucking Wall Street suit and tie douchebags coming in here and basically turning it into just another financial fucking regular ass tool. Like I joined the space, well, I guess first to buy and sell drugs, right? But but I joined this, like I joined the community, I should say, specifically to like be your own bank and like, you know, fuck the system, fuck, you know, Fight Club and all that shit, right? Not for all this bullshit out here. Fucking Peter Thiel, Founders Fund. That motherfucker was the first fucking person to sell Mantle. Or it was BitDAO back in the day. But that's a weak-handed piece of shit. Like anytime I see Peter Thiel invested in anything, I will never fucking invest in that shit. I was a fucking seed investor for that, and that motherfucker dumped on me so hard. I will never support anything that motherfucker touches. So true on Soul and Hype. Dude, for sure. Everyone thinks that like, oh, dude, Hype is like doing so good because fucking what's his face is a genius and he's a fucking Harvard graduate. Like, no, motherfucker, he's just lucky. They got lucky as fuck. Hype was doing, nobody knew about Hype for like 3 fucking years until finally, a few months before their TGE, they got like over 99% of their volume, basically. But like nobody knew about them until other competitors started fucking up. Right? So you had Apex that basically decided to trade against all of their users and drain their users, so they fucked up. You had Orderly, you know, which we have an Orderly front end, but they had their airdrop farming thing and they fucked up because it was bad. I guess it was like greedy or something. I don't know. I wasn't there during that time. But I was working with Apex at the time. But basically, Orderly fucked up their airdrop. So when people got pissed off, they left Orderly, right? They left WooFi. And then DYDX launched from V3 to V4, which was a terrible upgrade. It was a downgrade by far. So everyone left that shit. And DYDX was like the king back in the day. So all of the volume from like all these different places. And Vertex, they were just essentially just draining and farming everything and anything that they could. Right? They were max value extractors. So like all of these fucking different dexes and the people trying to get in early and this and that and blah, blah, blah. They were looking for the right one. And every fucking dex sucked dick. Like they all fucked up at exactly the same time. And you know what was right around the corner preaching, you know, fuck VCs and fuck all this and blah, blah, blah. And had a point farming thing available? Hyperliquid. So 3 months before Hyperliquid actually does their token, their TGE, that's when they start getting a large portion of users because the other disgruntled users from other places found them. And they're like, oh, you know, a token's about to launch. Let me fucking farm here and trade here. And then they launched and they actually didn't fuck over their users. It was a good airdrop, right? And then the rest is history, right? Like they did something that is not popular in the space, which is like, you know, treat your customers well. Don't drain them and use them. And just be true to your word, essentially. And yeah, and then now after that, like everyone trusts them and it's like a fucking cult and blah, 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 blah. But in reality, the real thing that really made them number one is luck. If the other exchanges didn't fuck up, then Hyperliquid would have a TGE and it would be small token and basically no one would really know about them after the TGE. WooFi, GMX. What did GMX fuck up with? I mean, GMX I think just sucks, right? Like, who the fuck wants to trade and like sign transactions and pay high ass fucking funding fees? Nobody wants to deal with that shit. I knew GMX was a failure from the very first, like from the very beginning. I tried it out and I was like, dude, fuck this shit. It's a terrible experience. LOL, you can build a cult here doing the bare minimum. Nah, man, building a cult is luck for the most part. I mean, you have to be honest. To have a cult, you need to be honest, right? You need to actually like produce content and do things that people want. And then you have to be honest, because you can produce content and blah 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 that people want, and then you're like, you know, rugging motherfuckers or whatever, and you're just gonna lose face and value real quick. GMX was bad for bad gas fees and UI UX. Yeah, it was terrible. The UI UX was the most fucking nastiest thing in the world. Like, look at this shit in comparison. This is what exchange. This is my shit. Look how fucking sexy this shit looks. It makes me want to jizz in my pants right now just looking at it, you know? How the fucking GMX compare with that? Nothing. Can't. I mean, when I like work on what exchange and like think about products and stuff, I always I like take into account the fucking Steve Jobs aspect of, you know, you should start with design and blah 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 blah. So like, this is our orderly front end. I really like it. I think it's sexy. So I made sure that our Hyperliquid front end looks exactly the same. So now you want to enjoy the sexiness of fucking the orderly network UI, essentially, with my fucking sexy ass colors and all that stuff. You can do so trading on Hyperliquid right now. And then you want to have a fucking, you want to enjoy like PumpFun blah 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 mechanics and stuff. Where's this fucking thing at? Oh, I don't think I have it here. It's on my other computer. I was gonna show you guys the launchpad that's under development, but that still needs to be fixed. But it's very similar UIs, same colors, similar UIs. Also, back then, they were only on ETH chain. What, you talking about GMX? I thought GMX was Arbitrum. Padre was one of the top trading platforms similar to BullX. Oh, I didn't know that. I'm not too familiar with Solana ecosystem, to be honest. I mean, I use it now and it's pretty good, but I'm a boomer. I'm way late. Ooh, look at that! I'm all in greens. All right, let's check out the other wallet, the KOL wallet. Should I set a stop here? No, I don't think so. I'm worried that this goes back down here and then dumps down like that. But it's still outperforming Bitcoin and ETH. I think it's just gonna, oh yeah, I think it's gonna, let me close it. Yeah, I'm gonna close it. Fuck it. Close this shit. You're not dragging me down again. Fuck you. Let me go to my other one and close my other one. I think markets are gonna go down. Sec. Oh, look at that. Up 250. Close this shit. Boom. And also, like, the order book on Orderly is not it. It is very thin for ZEC. For Pump and Bera, it's actually pretty decent. I can trade these no problem. Well, there's a lot more interest. See, this is how I know that ZEC is just like, it's got to be a pump and dump, dude. Like, look at the open interest on this. 223,000. Barely anything. Let's even go on Hyperliquid, dude. Let's check out what the Hyperliquid OI and shit is. ZEC. So the OI is 422 million. Wow, that's quite a lot. Let's see, Pump. 422 million. Pump. Wow. Okay, well, I guess I know who the fuck is pumping ZEC. It's all these fucking Hyperliquid fanboys, dude. They're doing large volumes on that shit. What the fuck? I want to see 92K first. So now they own the launcher and one of the top trading platforms of their launcher. Sounds pretty smart. Monopolize it. Monopolies are always bullish, bro. Alright, guys. So it seems like I'm going to be able to go to sleep in some profits in the green. Thank God. Barra chain came all the way back down. Thank God. I want to see this shit drive down to fucking 0, bro. Like nuke. Completely nuke. How is Zek still staying up? I feel like it's gonna do a BART. It's gonna nuke down. It's just lagging behind the other ones. But I feel like it's not even gonna go back into this cloud. I think it's just gonna go straight. Come on, get the fuck out of here. I think it's just gonna go straight down. I feel like I fucked up by buying it, so I need to. Well, I closed both of them at a profit, so fuck it, whatever, who cares. But now I'm not hedged. That's the problem. Should I just YOLO into No, don't do that. Don't YOLO. Dude, no wonder. I'm wondering, why the fuck is nobody on Discord talking? Bro, I sent this in the suggestions channel. What the fuck is wrong with me? I've been sitting in the suggestions channel the entire time. By the way, if you guys want to join Discord, it's discord.gg/whatexchange. You see? There's actual retards here. It's not just a completely dead server. We've had people in here for many years. We're a small, gentle cult. Screenshot at the top again. Nice. We can never ever long again, can we? It's over. Almost like Mysterious Force is selling the second it goes up 3K. Just had to ask, didn't you? Couldn't. New rule: if you post P&L on long, I'm shorting your ass. Why is order a fag? Dude, play Clover Pit? What the fuck is Clover Pit? Rabaristo, what's up, man? Justin, it's alright. I mean, I totally didn't catch that. What is this? Clover Pit? Play it while streaming about trading is the perfect mate. Fuck off. No way. I don't play. I'm not gonna play slots, dude. What the fuck? You think I'm like 80 years old? And you have to buy it? No way. Failed to liquidate me once again. Such a tease. What's your liquidation level at? I don't get it. Include me in the retards community? Yeah, boy. I like our little community, man. It used to be my community, right? So that's probably why I like it. But it's got some cool people in there for many years. So you become like, you know, longtime friends online. I feel like this is gonna keep going down. What is Zach doing? Zach is gonna trail down. I'm gonna do it, boys. I'm gonna YOLO it. I'm gonna damp it. Should I damp it? Should I damp it? How much? How much? I have 1,800 free collateral. Okay, well, let me not be a retard on stream. And but honestly, like the retard moves is probably what makes me the most money. But congratulations, you've received 100 messages today with the Restream chat. Yay, guys, we fucking did it. We made it. Oh my god. Thanks for chatting. Let's see. Should we add to this? I think so. I think it's gonna go over here, and then it's gonna go down. It's gonna go up. It's gonna go down. You know, these things. They do the things. You know, the things do the things. Up, down, up, down. I see my target. That would be a nasty, nasty drop. Ooh, this is $6,000 just chilling there, bro. Just calling me to short with it, to gamble with it. But I already have so much in Barra. What is my overall leverage on this? My notional is 63. My position is a 17. That's what, like a 4x or some shit? Yeah, it's a 4x. What I should do is short Zek. Whoa, right? I think it's gonna go down. It's lagging. I should short it, right? Uh-oh, we got a lot of buy pressure coming in. Uh-oh, we got a lot of buy pressure coming in. Uh-oh. Oh, never mind. Thwarted once again. No, buy pressure's back. Damn, who told me to close my Zek, bro? I should have kept that shit open. Bob Shaggett. Nah, shit's going down. What type of cloud? What pumps on a cloud like that? Nah, that shit's going down, bro. Look at that cloud. That shit is going down. Let me see. Je ne sais. Let's pull up the where's the indicators at? Checking money flow. Let's do the 15-minute, 5-minute. Ooh, a lot of buy pressure. Three-minute, just chilling. Candles. I think it's gonna dump. We're about to find out. do OBV. Where's the volume leading? Where's the volume going? Down on the 45 minute. Down on the 30 minute. Down. 15. Still pretty strong on the 3 minute. And just flat on the 1 minute. Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm gonna leave my positions as it is. Fucking bear, I went back up. God damn it, I should have closed the bear. That's what I should have done. I should have just taken profits when I was like already in 1,000 whatever. But I really think Zek's gonna dump. I mean, just looking at the clouds, like what type of fucking cloud is that? Let's see Pump, bro. Pump is leading the markets. Is it still going down? Yeah, man, Pump is bearish as fuck. Man, fuck you, Zach. No, I don't want to do that. Let me do 2x. There we go. Confirm. And that also the liquidity sucks on this shit anyway, so. Alright, we got a 2x on Zach short. So now we are naked short, bruh. We just yellow short. Dump this shit. Let's go to 2x. What place are you in after closing your profits? I haven't closed profits yet, so it's still just like wiggling up and down, right? We'll see afterwards. Close 75% for the screenshot and round trip the rest. I usually have closed at least some of a position I screenshot. Shh, lying ass, you broke. Barrow's right at a break even over here. Zach is chilling. Coming back down on BTC. All right, guys, I'm gonna leave this thing on the top right. I really want to check if I can live stream. So Nightingale is finally done. Let me pause the music. Let's see if this thing works. And then I don't even know what should I like lower it? Should I drop this? Should I drop this? Or can I play like in the middle right here? I don't even know how to set this up. Let's see. Let's see if my computer blows up. Fuck it. This is Unreal Engine, so you know the graphics are gonna be intense. Okay, I need to make this oh, it's too loud. Oh, it's too loud. There you go. Video, full screen, borderless, windowed. Apply. Can I apply? Ooh, that looks really small. What is under 1080, 1920 by 1080? What is that? 1920 by 1080, and then what is the resolution under that? Actually, this fits right here pretty nicely. You don't hear the game audio at all? What about now? Do you hear now? Let me know if you hear that, because this shit is loud as fuck to me. You probably need to adjust that in your stream settings. You're right. Okay, do you hear this? Okay, now we hear it. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so the 50%, let me bring that. Is it too loud at 50? Probably bring it down to 25. Now you're good now. No need to adjust any settings. Okay. Let's do 40 then, because it's a little bit too loud for me. Alright, but I'm still going to need to find out a resolution that makes sense. 1920. Okay. 1280 by 800. There you go. Look at that. I can play a game and I can keep. Oh, wait. Where's it at? Oh, shit. This wasn't it. Where's my trading? There it is. There she is. And I can keep this shit open over here. So we can track the positions. There you go. Look at that shit. Look at that shit, bro. I can't believe this fucking computer actually runs this shit. Let's see if we can actually play it now. Look at my sexy man. You can go even a little bit lower. Okay, I'll bring it lower after it loads. Market's going down. How does it look on the stream? Yeah, not bad. Am I lagging? I don't think so. Let me see how it looks on my actual live stream. Hey, it looks pretty good. Wow. Oh, bro, my PC's not even that strong, dude. It's literally like a $500 PC. It's like the bare basics cheapest thing that I was like, fuck it, you know, like who cares? I'm just gonna live stream. What do I need a big PC for? Okay, well, let's see, actually. We haven't seen the graphics yet. Okay, now we saw the graphics. Am I lagging? Oh, the game is lagging for sure. Oh, the game is definitely lagging, bro. Okay, so audio will be at 25. Video, we would have to bring it down to, let's see, ultra performance mode. On. Oh, damn. This shit looks like dog shit, though. It runs, but like poo-poo caca. Am I lagging on your screen, bro? There are unnecessary files on your that may cause the system to slow down. Run one-click optimizer. Yeah, boy. Optimize. To ensure cleanup, the defender needs to close your browsers. Ooh, no, no, no. Okay. There, optimized. I'm not smart enough to know what the fuck all this shit is. Textures, performance, balance, shading, post-processing, balanced, effects, anti-aliasing, quality, preset, balanced. Performance. I don't know what that means. Performance. Oh yeah, bro, we gotta go back to the PC shop. Your shit about to go. Osama bin Laden mode. You stupid. Okay, so am I lagging on the actual fucking thing itself if I run around? If I do this, let's see. Whee! Am I lagging? I don't know. I see myself on the stream. I'm not. Hey. I'm doing a lot better than I thought. See, so this does not look bad. It looks okay. Oh shit, what the fuck is that? Okay, so now the question is, can I handle Call of Duty or Battlefield? That's the question. If it can handle this, I mean, it doesn't look good though. It looks a lot. Ooh, it looks a lot better when I play it. Obviously, without all this shit around it. And then how do I get my mouse? How do I move my mouse? Oh, there you go. Escape. And then this up here, we're at plus 9%. Zach is in profits. Good. Let's take a look at this. OBV doing pretty nicely. Let's do the Ichimoku. Yeah, so there you go. I got my fucking basically schedule for the rest of the month. Sit here, try to make some money, play some games while I'm at it. Talk to you guys. Read my comment above the last one. I don't know, bro. Turk on shut the fuck up. I already saw that. You stupid. If I start twerking right now, then the staff is just gonna record it and make like a stupid GIF or picture or some shit. All right, now what I need is like a really entertaining game. So who's got like a really entertaining game? I actually like this game, but I don't think it's good to play with. To live stream, you know what I mean? What about Valheim? Let's fucking play some Valheim, man. Where's the gaming section? Legend. All right. I could play BioShock. I don't think that would require a lot of don't they have like the requirements or something here? Go to store page, minimum requirements, something like that. Oh, there you go. Okay. What about this one? Those twerk stickers were hit in the group chats. You crazy. You funny. Alex would fucking love that shit.
All right, Joey. I'm here. Let's see if we can find what you wanted
What is this shit?
me to see.
There's nothing wrong with dreaming. Wishing for the impossible is just human nature.
So first, Joey installs this ink machine over our heads.
At this point, I don't get what Joey's plan is for this company. The animation sure aren't being finished on time anymore.
Oh, Mr. Drew. You are the true architect behind so many nightmares. Everything feels like it's coming apart. When do we go home?
Wow. I don't remember any of this.
Have you met him? The ink demon. They say he hears everything.
In the morning, you'll be waiting. Or in the morning, you'll be dead.
There's a whole twisted world out here.
So for sure, the graphics on this should not be too crazy. It's like hand drawn type shit. Fuck it, figure it out tomorrow. Ay ay ay. Oh, look at that. Zach is done. You see, I told you this shit was coming down, man. I should have did fucking 10x, man. Fuck. I knew it. Let's see if any crypto games want to sponsor the stream. Actually, yeah, you should do that. Someone actually hit me up to play some like Solana indie like shooter game or some shit like that, and they were like, oh, we'll pay you, you know, like $1,000 a month or some shit like that. I don't know, some like four tweets or just an inclusion on your live stream or some shit. And I think it was just like play it once on live stream and it was like $1,000 or something. I don't know. Anyways, and I was like, sure, like if it's legit, sure. And then I was just any marketing stuff that I make, I would just use it to buy and burn wolf tokens, basically. That was the idea, at least, if I close any marketing deals, which I don't do anymore because, you know, fucking, why the fuck would I risk the reputational stuff? But if it's a real project, and also, like, I don't need to fucking do it, you know? I'm already rich. But if it's a real project, then for the treasury, for the wolf treasury, I don't mind because it doesn't make shit right now. Oh shit. God damn it. Wolf was Justin, remind me. Wednesday, I need to go on the wolf fucking thing. They're about to end right now. But it's at 10, I believe. That I should be on there to talk to them. I always forget. Always forget. Reopen that convo? Oh, it's on my in my DMs. Let me see. I understand. Yeah, we are fucked. Doubt it. Scam details. AP collection. Gate is gay. Ha. Gate is gay. Yeah, Wolf Crypto here. Like I was supposed to go last week into their thing, and I forgot. Which one's the one? All right, whatever. I don't wanna dox people's DMs and shit. But yeah, I'll try to find it and send it to you. Oh shit, we need to put that in your calendar. Let me get Alex to do that. Yes, please do that. This is fucking.
Anybody tell me the positive outlook? I don't know, man. My bags, meme coins, and the market in general just doesn't look good. And anybody tell me the positive outlook? I don't know.
Shut the fuck up, cringe retard twink freak. Bro, he just got unbanned. He got banned for talking shit to this guy, and he's just keeps doing it. He's so stupid. All right, let's take a look at the trading competition one more time. Number 3. This 11.18. 11.18. Yeah, sounds about right. Damn, man, I could have fucking made a nice short on that Zek. It's all right. Let's see. Am I still gonna keep it open? Let me play that music again. Oh man. It's already 11 p.m. It's almost my bedtime. Should I close it? Leave it open? Everything, not just this, everything. Oh, but I mean, Bera and Pump, I think they're gonna dump so hard. Have a good night, Justin. Take it easy. I think the markets are about to nuke. I wonder if I should just... Should nah, I shouldn't do it. But I'm only 4x, bro. What am I joking? What am I saying? 4x is enough. Okay, so I am very far behind. Bro, Ponzi has $1 million in volume. Like, what the fuck? I don't understand how these guys have like so much volume. DeFi Squared 2.4 million. Dude, what? You only have $10,000 to play with. Salsa's gonna be the guy to beat. And then this one, I'm almost on top 3. But I really want to take number 2 and number 1. That would be nice. Number 1, obviously. The most nice. Holy sh! Did it dump more? No, it's just back down to where it was. Holy shit, it's back down to where it was. Wow. Damn, dude, I should have YOLO'd fucking PumpFun, bro. These are so slow. They're catching up late. Okay, we gotta find PumpFun liquidation levels. Google.com. Pump USDT liquidation heat map. This fucking guy, tracer that I fucking hate this shit, bro. I add all of these things on there. Look at this, bro. All right, let's see where the liquidations are for PumpFun. Excuse me, sorry. Where the fuck is the damn data, bro? Like, what the fuck? Barra, where's the liquidations at? Ooh, there's a lot of longs liquidated. That's what it was probably aiming for. It would liquidate all these longs. That was at 1.8. Let me see. Liquidates a lot of shorts at 1.24. Is at 0.7. So 1.248 is the target for Barra. Is that my target? Yeah, down here, 1.24 down here. Let's do limit close 1.2. Let's do, where's CoinGlass? Where the fuck is my CoinGlass? Oh, duh, right there. Okay, let's do, where's Pump? There is no Pump. Oh, there's a bunch of shorts that are about to get liquidated on Bitcoin. Or excuse me, a bunch of longs. Alright guys, now we just play the waiting game. We're just waiting. If anybody's still there listening. Let's see if we can finish off this stream strong. Alright guys, I'm gonna play the, turn on the noise. Where the fuck is the noise? No, not that. Where's the noise? Did they get rid of it? Noise was so good. There we go. There we go. There's the dump pressure I'm looking for. Fuck it. I used to have this thing to play like noise when the liquidations came in. This is it. This is the life of a trader. Whoa, look at that. Look at this bug. Zach is bouncing? What the fuck, bro? Just go down. Ah, yeah, dude. Why is it bouncing? Nah. It's about it's literally, ah, fuck this shit. Fuck that. I'm not keeping that shit open. I'm telling you, Zach is gonna go to 1,000, bro. I am correct. Yeah, fuck that. Close this shit. Alright guys, it's 11:10 p.m. I think I'm pretty happy. Fuck it. I'm just gonna take my shit, close it. Close that. Where's Bear at? Bear's right there. Gonna close that as well. Fuck it. We made... What the fuck? Illiquid ass goddamn... Shit, bro. What the fuck? We made some more money. Let's see how bad this is. Better not have slippage. Look, the liquidity is not that. This is 7 Barra 17,000. It's right there. It's like 2 things. Okay, I guess it's not that bad. Yeah, this one should have liquidity too. What the fuck? Yeah, that didn't do anything. It's just the volume that went up. Okay, so liquidity is alright with those. Okay, so now I am up 20%, almost 21% on the entire account. Let's do a quick little update on my position in the leaderboards. I am now number 2 on the KOL side, catching. Oh, my headphones are about to die. Catching up to Salsa right here. Look at that, we're about to keep dumping. We're about to keep dumping. Should I risk my sleep? Should I chase Salsa? What do you guys think? Should I chase Salsa? We know Pump is heavy. Ah, man. Okay, Salsa, I'm coming after you. Fuck it, bro. Fuck it. All of it. All right. Fuck it, bro. We chasing Salsa. Also, why is the volume green? It should be red. Those are shorts. Oh no, it's still. This is concerning, the fact that it's like holding up so well. I swear, if it bounces from here, I'm gonna be pissed. And Bitcoin's just going down. I should have just shorted Bitcoin, bro. Yeah, Bitcoin's dumping, dude. Zach is maintaining. Solana's dumping. Ethereum is maintaining. Ah, shit, I should have sold Bear. No, Barrow's the same shit. They're both the same. Liquidation in progress. Get the fuck out of here. Oh, wait. Who's liquidation? Your liquidation? Is he watching the stream? Oh, there we go. Back in the green. Let's fucking go. Okay, we're targeting. Let's target 2920. Fuck it. We're gonna do the same over here. We're gonna do a quick little close. Just do a limit. 2920. Oh shit, you're gonna get liquidated on orderly? No. 12.55. Oh, he's already liquidated. Ooh, bruv. hate seeing my friends get liquidated. I want to short 700s on Zek if it goes there. Solana at 133, goddamn. Yeah, don't short Zek, bro. I would short Solana. I wouldn't short Zek. Because I think that people are selling Bitcoin and Solana and shit to pump Zek. Hold on, my battery's about to die. Oh, I can't. It's gonna die. My headphones. I hate seeing my friends get liquidated. Last time it was Jackie, now it's MK. Pushing back down. Come on, man. Let's finish the night strong. Just hit me my damn tick profit. I mean, how much would that be extra? From here to there. It'll be about like a 4.5 times 3. Oh shit. I'm in the red. It'll be like 13% extra. Ah, come on, man. It's bouncing. This fucking headset's gonna die. Come on, man. I should have just went to sleep. Alright, I'll be back. I gotta take a piss. Yeah, my headphones are charging, so no music for me. All right, let's see what's going on. Aster going down. Zek bounced, going down again. If I kept my short open, I would have been profits. Ooh, Solana bounced a little bit, Ethereum bouncing a bit. I think he's gonna dump a little bit further. Let's see. Oh no, it can come back up. Yeah, it can definitely come back up. I'm back in profits. Yeah, it's gonna keep dumping, I think. Dump and then pump. Make sure you get out fast, huh? Is a dump and then a pump. Come on, man. I should have just closed and went to sleep. Still awake, no sleep? Yeah, I should have closed and went to sleep. It's my bedtime in 3 minutes. You see, I think I'm going to incur a small loss here and just call it a night. 1% loss. Basically got rid of, like, whatever. I I don't think it's gonna go back up though. I think it's gonna dump. I was just chasing that liquidation wick. But if I like, the thing is, if I stay here and babysit this, then I'm not gonna get any sleep tonight. It's gonna take hours for this shit to happen. Yeah, this shit is gonna take hours, dude. It's right there. Just go down a little bit more, dude. Just a little bit more. Teeny, tiny bit more. They're buying Bitcoin, but it's not 18.7 million on fucking Bybit. You guys are retarded. This channel is your previous account? What do you mean? This channel is my previous account. I used to do YouTube videos on well, I used to do YouTube videos, but then I stopped and I like deleted the account or this channel, and that deleted all my videos and shit. And then I started YouTubing again recently. But excuse me, all of the old videos that I made disappeared. So now it's just live streams, but I'm gonna do video content again. Come on, man. Damn, he missed Apex. I called the bottom. That shit went like, I don't even know, 47x or some shit. Alright, guys. It's at my entry, I think. I'm just gonna close it. Call it a day. Call it a day. We tried to chase Salsa. We'll get him tomorrow. Don't worry about it. Okay, guys. You bought some Morph? Hell yeah, then. Good, because you're making the fucking algo bot for it anyway. Alright, guys. I'm done with the live stream. Let's do a quick update on the position. I shouldn't have entered that last trade, but it is what it is. Damn, I lost like $130 on that. And now Taikimara is right on my ass. That's what you get for over trading. And oh, whoever the fuck our boy is made it to number 2. Shit. That's pretty good, man. That's pretty good. And I am sitting comfy at number 4 still. So, number 2 versus the KOLs, barely. And number 4 on the overall competition. So, I think doing pretty good so far. Doing pretty good. Oh, look, now I decided to come back down. Should I chase it? Still, oh my God. Should I chase it? Should I chase the fucking... Here's some green. It's gonna... Nah, you know what? Fuck it. I'm calling it a night. I'm going to sleep. Fuck you guys. See you guys tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe, go trade on what exchange. Go participate in the trading competition if you guys want. All you have to do is trade on what.exchange. That is it. And you have a chance to win, you know, up to $50,000, whatever, as long as you become number 1. All that fun jazz. Or you guys can just, you know, trade with me here tomorrow. I will start streaming all day and see if we can catch up to Salsa. Fucking Salsa. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you later. Good night.